Good night. And today presentation to Market Survive to Traveler Adventures Kine. My name is Cesar Caballero. The first question is, do you like to travel often? The results of question 1, here are the 100% of the survey respondents like to travel often. It's a great uh, results for the travel adventures Kine. The second question is, what do you look for when choosing a travel agency? As we can see, what matters most to people is price and quality when choosing to travel agency. Um, because we watch to graphic is the four people selected quality, and the second is the price. The number three question is, which of following cities would you like to visit? The most chosen city for the future trip was New York. In second place is China, and some choose another city, without mentioning which city they will visit. Then question number four is, how much would you be willing to pay for all inclusive trip for your chosen city? All my respondents, the people who could invest most in visit the city they want to go is the same, without investing of 15,000 to visit New York is the great place to visit. And the second place is Alejandra with 10,000 to visit China, the old continent. And the last one is who choosing a trip to surprise city at unavailable low price. Everyone agrees to they would like to travel to surprise city for low price. It's a great answer. Of the conclusion is, with the survive we can see that they are willing to invest to go to the city they want to visit but never living outside the price and quality offered by travel agency. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.